You want your business to grow. You want your business to be successful. And most of all, you want your business to be profitable, right? Well, a business vision board can really help you create a path to achieving all the goals you want in your business without it being scary because you've laid out a plan, without forgetting about your goals because you have a beautiful visual to review every week and every month. In my business vision board workshop, I'm going to show you how to take your beautiful visual and create a clear, precise step-by-step action plan to help you achieve your goals. I'll also take you through a list of questions that get your mind thinking and deducting exactly what you need in your business. We'll discuss what skills you need to learn, how to apply your own strengths to your business, and most of all, how to dream and project what your business will look like in this year of 2023. So are you ready to create a vision for your business?